Hi, it's Kerry. You're going to get to see all of these wonderful snakes today. Blackhead python. Pythons are non-venomous snakes that live in the tropical areas of Africa and Asia. The corn snake is a North American species of rat snake that subdues its small prey by constriction. They are popular as pet snakes. The green anaconda is a member of the boa family and is the largest and heaviest known snake, not necessarily the longest. Snakes smell with their tongue. Can you tell me what is your favorite snake today? Amethyst python. The amethyst python or amethystine python is also known as a scrub python. It is a species of non-venomous snake. The species is found in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea and Australia. Rough green snake. The rough green snake is a non-venomous North American colorbreed. It is sometimes called a grass snake or green grass snake. Ball python. The ball python is aptly named. It curls into a ball when frightened. The Copperhead snake is a species of venomous snake endemic to eastern North America. Albino Burmese python. This is a very rare snake. The Burmese python is one of the 5 largest species of snakes in the world. Burmese python. Burmese python is one of the 5 largest snakes in the world and can reach weights of up to 200 pounds or 90 kilograms. The chain kingsnake is a harmless colorbreed species endemic to the US and Mexico. It's a favorite amongst collectors. Blue coral snake. The blue coral snake is known for having a distinct red head, tail and belly. Adults can grow to be almost 6 feet or 2 meters long. The red-bellied black snake. If you look closely underneath, you'll see it has a red belly. yellow ball python, coral snakes are a venomous snake that live in North America. They are members of the cobra family. They have a pair of small hollow fangs to deliver their venom. I love all the bright colours of these amazing reptiles. Tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Subscribe and like if you like snakes. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.